subscribe 73 Editing, and press the bell icon, and never miss any update.
First, create a new document. Go to File, New. Choose a document with 1920 by 1080 pixels, then click on Create. Open your horizontal type tool, click on your document, and type your text. I am using the Baby's Newy font for this document. Next, we will create a photo mosaic. The first step is to organize all of your photos that you will want to use in your poster, and place them into a folder. To determine how many photos you will use, first, decide how many rows and columns you will want. I am using 5 rows and 8 columns, so I multiply the number of rows with the number of columns, to get the number of photos I placed into my folder. After you have placed your photos into a folder, go to File, Automate, and Contact Sheet 2. The Contact Sheet window may look different than mine if you are using an earlier version of Photoshop. Resource Images folder. Click Choose and the folder that your photos are placed into. Document Units Pixels. Using the same size and resolution as a document will result with our pattern of photos become rather blurry. However, if we double the width and height, our photos end up much sharper in a poster. And make sure Flatten All Layers is unchecked. You will see why later. Mode RGB Color. Bit Depth 8-bit. Place across first. Use Auto Spacing uncheck. For this example, I am using 8 columns and 5 rows. Vertical and horizontal 1 pixel. Rotate for best fit unchecked. Make sure use File and M as caption is unchecked. Then click OK. Photoshop is now automatically positioning each photo onto its own layer with its own layer mask. The reason we did not choose to flatten the layers is so we can adjust the size of each photo within its respective layer mask. Make sure Move tool is active and checked Auto Select. First, we need to click off the chain link icons on each layers, which unlink this layer with their respective layer mask. Now, when you click a photo on the image, Auto Select automatically select the photo in the Layers panel and makes it active. Open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command+T, go to a corner and when you see a diagonal, double arrow, press and hold Alt or Option+Shift as you drag it in or out. Then, press Enter or Return. Notice, your photo is confined inside its layer mask. Continue these steps for each photo until they are all sized and positioned to your liking. Go to Edit and define pattern. Give a name of your pattern. Then click on OK. Open back your document. Click the adjustment layer icon and click Pattern. I will reduce the scale to 10%, but feel free to use any amount. You can always change it later if you want. To fill your text with your photos, we will clip the pattern layer to the text layer below it. To do this, press Ctrl plus Alt plus G on Windows, or Command plus Option plus G on a Mac, or you can go to Layer option and create clipping mask. Click the adjustment layer icon, and click black and white. Create a clipping mask on this black and white adjustment layer.
For more update, subscribe to our channel, click the show link and enjoy watching the videos.